So now let's take a look at an example of finding an area bounded by the curve y equal to e to the x and y equal to x from x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. Right. So if possible, then you find the graph of the two functions. It's always very helpful for you to see that e to the x is above y equal to x. And if you want to find error from 0 to 1, right, so we can just use the formula that we just got, right? So my habit is just draw a very brief small block to remind me that if this is general x, right, so x is run from 0 to 1, and the above function is e to the x, the lower function is y equal to x. And then the formula says area is equal to integral from, you see x is from 0 to 1, right? And then the upper function is e to the x, the lower function is y equal to x dx. Right, so we just get the formula, and to find this integral, now you can either use T99, directly put into T99 to find the integral, or you use fundamental theorem. The antiderivative is e to the x minus x squared over 2, right? Then from 0 to 1, then you plug inside 1, you get e to the 1 minus 1 squared over 2 minus e to the 0 minus 0 squared over 2. Then you simplify it, you find that's e minus 1.5, right? So you can confirm this by using T99, right? So this is the area bounded by these two curves.